Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have a gem with beach access just steps away. This 3-bedroom and 2.5-bathroom fully furnished villa is located at Marina Villas in St. Anne. This villa is 2,050 square feet with land space at 4,500 square feet. It is currently priced at US 600,000 or Jamaican $94 million. This villa offers a lot more features than the standard ones. It is in a gated community with a corner lot, more land space, extra storage beneath the stairs, aluminum back patio, automatic sprinkler system for the lawn, 2 water heaters, solar side lightings, ceiling fans, external cameras via Wi-Fi, and the appliances are all high-quality steel. The location of this unit is great as the golf course is nearby and the swimming pool, beach, and gym are all just a stone throw away. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.